How to add Loox star ratings on Shopify. The first thing you want to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and select Online Store. Then from there, you're going to tap on Customize. Once you have selected Customize, you're going to tap where you see Home Page at the top, and we're going to be selecting Products, then Default Product. So we're going to be adding the star ratings to our product page. So what we're going to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and select Add Section, then tap on Apps, and from here we want to add the star ratings, so we're going to select Star Rating widget. After you have done that, what you want to do next, you're going to tap on Section, and you're just going to drag the star ratings. So for example, we want to add it to the product section, so we're going to open the product section right here. And we want to add it, so we're going to drag and place it. So let's say, for example, we like to place it right above the header right there. And you can see the star ratings have been added. Once it is to your liking, you'll tap on Save. And that's it. That's how you'll be able to add the star ratings. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.